family vote. Kudumba Kallara, he called it. Kudumba Kallara. So he told Devi Appicha. And Devi Appicha is a man who will not spend money on this. So Devi Appicha called Vindhyachalam daddy and said, Kada, Achimane, Ammachi wants a family vote. So let us consider. He said, I will do it. So that's the time he has come back from Saudi and all, he had few monies also with him.
Right.
So he said, I will do it for you, thinking that he will also participate in that. Anyway, that's it from there. So daddy went there, and that old this thing was there. So he called that Ravi. Ravi Devi was a mason. So he called Ravi. നമുക്ക് അവിടെ ഒരു കല്ലറ അവിടെ കല്ലറ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം, നമുക്കൊരു കുഴി ഉണ്ടാകും. ശരി, അവന് ചേർന്നു. സോ ഈ വെൻ കോട്ടയം ബിഷപ്പിന്റെ അപ്പോൾ എടുക്കണം. ഈ കെയിം ബാക്ക്
അതൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത് നല്ല, ഞാൻ പോകത്തില്ല മുമ്പിൽ.
അതൊക്കെ ചെയ്തു, ചെയ്തു. He got the sanction. So he went and told this Devi, he started digging. When he went down, what he saw, the skeleton. Ayo, he ran away. So he said, so daddy got into this thing and collected all the thing, put it in a bag and kept it there. Now he put it out inside later. Keep it there. So this thing was made. So actually when you make a cemetery and all that, gold, you have to tell the church committee, I am going to do this. So church committee should say, yes, you can do it. He said to hell with it. Who is this church committee like? He did not know, might not have known. Anyway, he was doing at the place. So one day the church secretary, the ward of church,